Hi, let's understand now the revenue or income. What is revenue or income? Revenue or income is the gross inflow of cash, receivables, or other consideration arising in the course of the ordinary activities of business, such as sale of goods, rendering of services, etc. If the revenues earned are from the main activity of the business, they are considered to be operating revenues. If the revenues come from a secondary activity, they are considered to be non-operating revenues. For example, interest earned by a manufacturer on its investments is a non-operating revenue, but interest earned by a bank is considered to be part of the operating revenues. When there is an increase in revenue or income, it will be credited, and when there is a decrease, it will be debited. Now let's see the example with their original places in accounts. Sales, credit. The original place is credit. Service income, same, credit. Interest income, credit. Fees earned, credit. The same way, rents income, credit. Thank you.